Can we add some labels to our wire fixtures? My guys will grab whatever fixture they can find, and the 12 gauge fixtures are being used for 10 gauge wire, but when we actually need the 12 gauge fixtures, they're nowhere to be found. Adding labels in CAD can take a lot of time, and I really don't have the bandwidth to take care of that. Plus, you might change what labels you want. I can't handle all of your different requests. I believe you because of your official name tag printed on PolyJet technology. I just wish there was a way I could do this in my software without your help. Adding labels is something that comes up commonly for 3D printed parts, especially fixtures on the shop floor, where different fixtures can get confused. GrabCAD Print Pro from Stratasys can seamlessly add these features without using a CAD program. I start by right-clicking a part and scroll to Add Label. I then position my mouse over my part where I want the label and click to place, even on a curved surface. The Add Label dialog box presents me with all the options for the text, like font, size, and depth. But instead of an unintelligent text field, I'll use a template that can capture data from my parts themselves. In this case, I'll use the part name as it is indicative of the fixture's purpose. I can then save that template and use it on other parts as well. To add our template to another part, we repeat the process of right-clicking a part, scrolling to Add Label, and now we see that our saved template is available. Fixtures like these tend to get lost in all kinds of places, not just on the shop floor. So printing extras will be mandatory, and when we use the duplicate option, the labels and their logic will be duplicated as well. Thickness analysis is another great tool from GrabCAD Print Pro that works great with labels. It will review my part's geometry to determine if certain feature sizes are being met. It looks like my font is a little too small here, not great quality, but I can easily jump back into my template to up the size of the font, watch the template update all the labels across all my parts, and then thickness analysis gives me the green light to tell me I'm good to print. With the label feature, we can also choose to emboss or deboss and even use other data in the label, like an index number, which will help keep fixtures at specific work locations. These features and many more allow GrabCAD Print Pro from Stratasys to get the most out of your 3D printer.